So now I need to think about what I'm going to use my logo for. I'm thinking about my design business. It could be photography. It could be art. It could be cars. It could be anything. It kind of cues up some different icons that you might want to use. You also have the option to not use them. This is just to kind of start to brainstorm for you. So it's a really great tool for that. Then what it's called is actually kind of the title that you want with your logo. So instead of just having like Mrs. Parrish, I wanted to have like Parrish Art, because again, it's going to be my watermarked brand. And then I don't have a slogan, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave that blank. It's up to you if you want to add something. And then I'm going to go ahead and click next. I can always go back in and change it. Then I can really get into what kind of style do I want? What am I looking for? Do I want something bold? Do I want something modern? Do I want something decorative? So kind of think through what kind of aesthetic do you want your logo to have. So I think I'm going to pick modern for this one. So I've selected it, and then I'm going to click next. Notice it has a white bar around it once it's been selected. Now, they kind of picked some icons that they thought would work for me. So notice I don't have piles and piles of icons. I only have a couple icons. So currently, I feel like this is really it, right? Art on a computer, that's kind of where I'm at. So I can also search if I don't see something I like, but it kind of, because I sorted and said, hey, design, it's giving me things that are design related, okay? But I can always research if I don't like it. Click next. So now it took that and it is trying to kind of come up with some of those different options. So I'm going to scroll through and notice that I can kind of keep scrolling. Like, what do I see that I like? Okay, so I'm going to click on one that I kind of like. Notice I can continue customizing. So when you're looking at those, don't be bogged down by the color. You don't want that to be a deterrent, or the font. This is really about kind of picking that organization. Now I can start to customize with color. It gives me some options there. Ooh, I kind of like that. Now I can go into the font. It doesn't let me choose a million different ones. It just gives me some options that they think are going to look good. So if that's not enough, if I only kind of like it, but I would like more, I'm going to say I want to customize it even some more. So now it's saved, so then I can keep customizing, which is important. This is where it takes you almost all the way back to creating just that graphic.